Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about crystalline systems. What is the most common crystal structure? For metals: A. Body-centered cubic, BCC. B. Face-centered cubic, FCC. C. Hexagonal close-packed, HCP. D. Simple cubic, E. Diamond cubic, DC. The correct answer is B. Face-centered cubic, FCC. Which of the following is not a Bravais lattice? A. Simple cubic. Body-centered cubic. Face-centered cubic. D. Hexagonal close-packed. E. Pentagonal close-packed. The correct answer is E. Pentagonal close-packed. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. How many atoms are present in a unit cell of a body-centered cubic structure? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. E. 8. The correct answer is B. 2. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.